Hey YouTube, it's your girl Green. Welcome back to my channel.
Hey guys, it's been a minute, but I am back with another video, and I am in the process of making my cosplay for LA Comic Con. So I'm trying to get things off my floor that I bought and are meant to be on my walls and in shelves and stuff. So in the process of that, I am today, for this video, I'm gonna be putting some of my comic books up on the wall, like I told you guys how I want them, like that. So I only have 5 that I want to put up today because I'm still I'm making my wish list of things that I want to get at Comic-Con. I mean, I have I have one convention. Actually, I have 2, but I have one Comic-Con convention that I'm going to before I go to LA, and I'm hoping to get some comic books there and then some other things. So this video, I'm just going to be putting up 5 comic books, and then I'll give you a little room tour because I haven't really updated on how my room looks right now, because I had posters that were sitting in my room for like 3 years, not even lying, and I finally put them up. So I'll show you guys that, and then I did get some more Funko Pops, and then I have some more Funko Pop shelves I need to put up, so I need to put those up sometime soon. End of the year, I'll show you guys an update of how everything looks in my room, because honestly, it's looking pretty good. But I keep seeing people on my TikTok feed, like on my For You page, putting their comic books on the wall. So then I was like, I want to do that, because then I have comic books that I buy solely for the cover because I like the way the cover looks. And also I'm like really into like the Alex Ross comic book covers. So I have like 2 of those, and then I have like, I'm not gonna say the word because someone tried to eat me up in the comments last time when I said it, but it's like the first edition of like certain characters coming out in comic books. I'll put the word down here because someone tried to eat me up in the comments because I said it wrong. But anyways, I have 2 Alex Ross, and then I have 3 of the little, but I'm gonna put those up. And then I'm thinking about putting some more up. Well, eventually I'm going to get some more and put them up on the wall. And I'm thinking about putting something like on my, can you see it? Yeah. On my closet door. Because it's like bare. It's like I need to put something there. But yeah, so I saw this girl's video. She went to the Dollar Tree and bought these, they're like certificate frames or whatever. But they're picture frames. I bought these. The same exact one she got. I don't know the sizing, the length and the width and all that, but yeah, it's gonna be like this. But I already put one in the frame, so it's gonna look like this, and honestly looks really good. The girl in her video, she put colored paper behind it, but I don't know, I think it just looks cuter with the white, so I just flipped the certificate paper backwards on the other side, and I put it in the back, so that's the white part, but it looks really good. So I'm gonna finish putting the rest of the comic books in the frames, and then I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like on my wall. And I'm gonna be using these little command strip thingies that I bought from Target, because I bought a bunch of these when I was putting my posters up, so I have a bunch of extra. And then I'll give you a little room tour, so stay tuned. Alright, mini room tour. This is above my bed. Got my Funko Pops, my little Sam Wilson shrine, my soda pops, my Spider-Man section, and then the comics. I'm gonna be honest with you, that Fantastic Four Doctor Doom cover did fall off in the middle of the night and almost smacked me in my head, but I will be putting it up very soon. And then these are my posters I got. But yeah, posters look good. We'll be adding some more stuff much later. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I will be adding comics and Legos and other stuff later. But bye!